Howdy y'all, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, I'm at the 23 in Victory Park, Dallas. It's the 23 in Victory Park, Dallas. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So I want to explore the area, just walk around a little bit and show you how cool it is. This is Victory Park, and the area is very cool. It's basically the newest part of this whole downtown, uptown, all of this area. It was built kind of from the ground up. It was, I think it was just a big, I don't know even what it was before, but it was built up, kind of started, I think, in 2009 or 2010, I think around that time frame. And all these buildings are pretty much new since that date. So the 23 is right here. It's this building right here. And all around it is the start of Victory Park. This is kind of where it starts. You've got shops and restaurants. You can see there's trees all around. It's really a beautiful area. Trees all around. It's got a vibrance, exciting. You'll see, you know, it's a sunny day, but you see a lot of professionals out. And then on the other side, this is in the back of the building, is Victory Park Lane. That's right here. So you have just a fantastic location here on Victory Park Lane to enjoy. I'm going to go in here and just kind of give you, just walk maybe a little bit just so you can see it, but just a fantastic area, literally just right in the back of the building. And that's the building right here. So you've got a ramen bar right here. You've got bars over here. You've got restaurants, shops. You've got Cinepolis. It's a really good movie theater, high quality movie theater. And this is the start of Victory Park Lane. You just walk and walk and walk. You've got Jen's Ice Cream, one of my favorite places, just down there. You've got Starbucks is down there too, a few chains. You've got a lot of cool stuff on there. So I'm not gonna walk there right now, but I just wanted you to see it. And literally, you walk outside your building, you've got walking access to some of the coolest stuff in Dallas. This is also, by the way, there is a smaller concert venue called the House of Blues, and you can enjoy great concerts from almost any type of music. I mean, country, rock, jazz, I mean, whatever. It's all there, and it's pretty close to get to that too. So that's just a little bit more about this area. Great area if you want to get to Dallas and really start making friends, going places. It's just a super fun area. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or you want to take a tour, the best way to do that is just send me a text. Just use my number below. I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people texting me all the time. I love helping my clients, and I'd love to help you to find your perfect place here in Dallas.